Summer is here and it's time to cool off in the pool, but after months of the pool going unused and being covered up, you notice something looks off and you want to get it checked out. Today you will learn why your pool has cracks, unlevel water, gaps, and how to fix those things. Noticing pool cracks, unlevel water, and gaps can be a scary thing. Is your pool no longer going to hold water? Will it sink into the earth or maybe fall off that hillside? How can you stop this from happening? What are the next steps? Today you will learn what a pool inspection looks like, what type of repairs are needed, and how to tell if repairs have already been done on your pool. So you call a foundation repair company to check out the foundation of your pool, but you want to know what they're going to be looking for and how they figure out if your pool is settling or sinking. We got the lowdown from our inspection team, and this is how they go about those inspections. First, the inspector is going to be looking for cracks. Cracks can be found both inside the pool as well as around the perimeter of the pool. After looking for cracks, we're going to want to check the water level with a laser level. So your tiles could be off from the original installation, making the water look unlevel, so we want to make sure with a laser. You could use a survey laser, but we don't typically use those due to their costs and how long they take to set up, when really you're going to be getting the same exact result. The coping around the pool will have gaps if the pool is starting to move laterally or slide towards that hillside. If the coping has been repaired, we look around the pool to see if the coping is the same width to check if it's narrower on the hillside of the pool. Inspections are usually really quick. We're talking 30 to 60 minutes. If you have the original pool plans, it can make the inspection and repair design a little bit faster, just depending on where exactly we need to do the repairs on the pool. If you don't have plans, it's not that big of a deal, but we will have to check manually for grade beams. So what types of repairs could a pool need if it's settling? Steel piers are going to be the best way to repair a pool to never settle again in the future. We like to use helical piers and helical tie backs, and sometimes both, kind of depending on the situation with the pool and how close it is to a hillside. Grade beams are also sometimes necessary to add to the pool to evenly distribute the load. We will add piers to the grade beam to make sure that the pool never settles again. Pool contractors are needed to finish up the finishing touches of the pool after we stabilize its foundation. They will recoat any plaster or pebble tech, they'll put in new coping, and they'll make the pool look nice and level again. We can't re-level the pool itself due to the weight and the friction from all the dirt around the pool, but we can stabilize it so that it doesn't continue to move or settle again in the future. The pool contractor is going to be the one that makes it look like it's level. After the repairs are done to your pool, it will look like we were never there. It will look level with a new glossy coating to it. So now that you know what the inspection process, the repairs, and what it will look like in the end, please contact us. Our phone number is 877-360-9227. Or you can head to our website and click the Schedule My Foundation button at the very top right-hand corner. From there, you'll be in contact with one of our project design specialists to help you get the summer back on track. Thank you for watching the video, and please remember to never settle on an unsafe pool.